Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Taraji and Dennis. I'm Taraji, this is Dennis. And today we're going to be making chocolate chip cookies. And so we have all of our ingredients. And also, well, the chocolate chip cookies that were in we have my ingredients too that I'm going to put in. But yeah, Dennis is just showing his. But also the chocolate chip cookies we are going to be making, the cookie dough will be edible, so you're going to be able to eat it if you just want regular edible cookie dough. So, yeah. Okay, so the first step, what we are going to, so if you are going to make the edible cookie dough, you get your flour and you do put it in for half a minute in the microwave, so just in case all that bacteria and stuff, if you will be making. So we're gonna put half the stick of butter. So Dennis is gonna cut it. He is currently cutting it right now. Okay. Now I'm gonna get my next ingredient. Never mind, the next ingredient is Dennis's ingredient. Actually, never mind, it's my ingredient.
You put it in here?
Half a cup. Yep.
Stick of butter.
That's about half a cup of butter. And then what we are going to be doing is putting in the brown sugar. So we have half a cup of this. So let me just see if this is half a cup. One cup, that's okay, half a cup is right here. So I'm gonna be putting half a cup of butter right now. So I'm gonna put it in and then just be right back, guys. Okay, Dennis doesn't want to be in the video, guys.
What am I talking? I'm right here.
He keeps disappearing, guys, but I'm gonna put half a cup in. Okay, there's half a cup in the bowl. And guys, Dennis does not know what he's talking about because he's never baked in his life. That's half a cup. Okay, so next, Dennis, get the white sugar, 3 tablespoons. So we're gonna need.
You know what a tablespoon is?
That's a cup. Never mind, 3 teaspoons. So let me get. Need help? Here, I have wrong nails. This is gonna use a butter knife. Show 'em. Okay, now pour some sugar to here. Pour over the bowl so we don't spill, just in case ants. Okay, that's good. Okay. Okay, don't put all of it. One more. Don't put a lot on this one, like a little bit. That's good. Okay. Okay, now we have 3 teaspoons of white sugar. Now we need 1 teaspoon. Okay, Dennis doesn't want to be in the video, guys.
What am I talking? I'm right here.
He keeps disappearing, guys, but I'm gonna put half a cup in. Okay. There's half a cup in the bowl. And guys, Dennis does not know what he's talking about because he's never baked in his life. That's half a cup. Okay. So next, Dennis, get the white sugar, 3 tablespoons. So we're gonna need.
You know what a tablespoon is?
That's a cup. Never mind, 3 teaspoons. So let me get. Need help? Here, I have wrong nails. This is gonna use a butter knife. Show 'em. Okay, now pour some sugar to here. Pour over the bowl so we don't spill, just in case ants. Okay, that's good. Okay. Okay, no, put all of it. One more. Don't put a lot on this one, like a little bit. That's good. Okay. Okay, now we have 3 teaspoons of white sugar. Now we need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, this time, just put the lid. Use the lid.
That's not 1 teaspoon.
That wasn't either. It's okay. Measuring is for other people, not us. That scared me. Pour it in. Okay.
Just a little bit. Just
No,
tiny bit.
no. This stuff is very strong.
I know.
So don't put it anymore. Okay. Now we need, who has the salt? I have the salt. Okay, so we need
Next is salt.
1 tablespoon of salt. So I'm just gonna put about this much. Because this is about a tablespoon. I spell nothing. Should I put more back?
That's good.
Yes. Okay.
Almost had to mix it up.
Let me see. You know what I'm gonna do? Good enough. Okay, now we need the flour.
That's the last ingredient.
Does it say how much? 1 second, guys. I'm gonna check how much. Okay, guys, we just figured out it was 1 cup of flour. So, and if you do put the flour in last, no, you do not. Okay, I'm kind of dumb right now. Forgot you're supposed to put that in. So I'm gonna, where's the mixing utensil? Oh, so what we're supposed to do, it's okay, but we're gonna mix it. So I'll mix it and then Des can mix them. So mix.
Makes it better.
Mix. I don't know how to mix. Oh my god. I don't know how many cookies this is gonna be though.
Let me see.
This butter, it's sticky, but it's also. Oh, did I say that in the beginning? The butter's supposed to be melted or soft. So yeah. It doesn't need to be hecka mix, but no, I can mix this in a blender. Can I mix it in a blender? Oh, I just found the vanilla extract. I think we put it in at the wrong time. That's okay. My ingredients weren't fully right. Okay, I'll mix. When I get the 1 cup ready, mix things. Guys, I'm getting the 1 cup of flour ready. Okay, how much is that? It's about 1 cup. Yep. I did exactly 1 cup on the first try. Okay, tell me when I'm ready. Can I put it in now?
What?
Okay.
This is not gonna be a lot of cookies.
Yeah, I don't know how much cookies are gonna
Can I
be.
mix it? Or no?
Okay, mix it and I'm gonna add some milk. How much milk? Slowly, 1/2.
So 1 flour.
Okay, I slowly pour in. Try not to spill.
The milk is gonna do everything.
The milk is just gonna kind of put it together. Okay. I did a little bit more, but it's okay. Okay, guys. Now, while Dennis mixes it, I'm gonna slowly pour in the milk. Okay, mix it. Keep mixing. Oh. Keep mixing. Oh. Okay, mix. I'm gonna mix next. Oh, it's coming together, guys. Okay, guys. So it's almost time for me to mix. Honestly, I think we need a little bit more flour. Or maybe not. Okay, let me see it. Okay, this is how it looks so far. Smell it. I think we need a little bit of more vanilla. We're gonna taste test it because it is edible. And I think we might make more. Another batch, one more batch.
It's supposed to be thicker. I think we need like more flour.
Oh yeah, it's more, yeah, let me add more flour. Guys, my phone just went low for a second, so that's okay. Because I'm pretty sure this is supposed to be thicker. That should be good. Let me mix it. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna try to mix this while to see, and I'll come back to you guys. Okay, guys. So we officially mixed it. It's kind of a little soggy, like it's not like cookie dough form. But that's still good.
It's good. It's not bad.
Now this, do you want to clean up the rest of the mess, and then we'll put the chocolate chips in last, or do you want to put the chocolates? Okay.
No.
Okay. The best part, I'm gonna put the chocolate chips. And we're not gonna measure. Wait. Open it like this. It's like Renegade mixed with Dance's now and then. Okay, this is edible cookie dough, so I'm gonna eat it.
Don't eat all of it.
I'm not.
You could have no more. Guys, ready for this?
Woo-wee. Okay, let me mix it.
Let me mix it. You mix the.
Oh, okay, fine. Let me just mix this time. Then you mix. We'll show you guys the final product. Unless you want a little bit more. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, guys, we'll be right back. We'll wait till it's mixed. Okay, guys, this is our finishing thing. Taste it.
You have a lot.
So, if you just wanted to make raw cookie dough, not raw, but edible cookie dough, this is what it is. But if you don't, then
You
the
can put
video's
eggs.
not over
You can put
for you.
eggs if you want to.
Yeah, if you don't, then let's head on over to the baking sheet.
Alright, guys, we're gonna roll them up and put them on here. So let's do it.
Voila. Okay, they're all on. Let it slide. They're all the cookies. Here, let me show them. My brother just woke up, so we don't.
And the total just preheated to 375.
Yeah, so we put it to about to 375. Okay, we're trying from the cookie dough. The rest that was in the bowl, a little bit, not all of it, Dad. If you're watching this.
So I'm gonna pop this open.
Okay, this. Wait. Okay, we're about to put it in. Careful of your fingers. Okay. Oh, what happened to that one?
But it don't matter.
That okay?
They all come in different shapes.
We'll come back in about, guys, we'll come back in about maybe 10 minutes. 10 minutes.
15.
We'll come back in maybe 10 minutes or 15 minutes, but yeah, we're gonna wait.